This is the question for you all today. This is the video on De-Polygnac theorem, question 3, Q3. Please pardon my handwriting. It says, find the number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. If you don't know what is the De-Polygnac theorem and what is the form of that, you must watch the De-Polygnac theorem Q1 for better understanding. And if you know what is the thing, then this video is for you. Each stage find a number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. How to find the number of zeros? What is the power of 10 in 100 factorial? This is the only thing to find the number of zeros. And one thing I have not told in De-Polygnac theorem one, that the De-Polygnac theorem, the denominator n in every box, n and n square and n cubed, that so on in the main theorem, this is always a prime number. Yes, prime number. Hence, if we check for 10, we must not start with 10 at once. We must start with 2, then with 5, and then we have to check how can we continue with the process. Then let's first start with 2. Let's find the number of how many power of 2 is in 100 factorial. In the De-Polygnac theorem Q1, I told a very easy method which I always use while solving this type of question. If you don't know that, that video is must watch for you. And now, this is 100 by 2, greatest integer function, which comes to be equals to 50. Now we have to do 50 by 2. This is not the real De-Polygnac theorem, but we can use as a substitute of it here. For solving questions, it makes the calculation easier than the previous one. Here, instead of right away 2 square then 2 cube, it becomes intensive calculation. We can solve it by this way only. This is 25. And then it goes on to 25 by 2. After you understand the De-Polygnac theorem greatly, then you need not write these steps because we always need to be fast and being more step writing. This is 12. And you know 12 by 2, it will go on to be 6. I can write it here, but let's write it here also. 12 by 2. Here it will be 6. Then it will go on. I am writing here go on, and I will solve it here. This will be plus 6 by 2 is 3. And 3 by 2 is 1.5, greatest integer function of 1.5 is 1, and then it will stop. What is this value? This is equals to 97. Now let's check for 5. It will go on. I am writing the first 100 by 5, and then I will write dot 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 for this, because you all know this thing. I am not repeating the same thing again and again. It's just a waste of time. Then it will come to be equals to 20 plus 20 by 5 comes 4, plus 4 by 5 is not allowed, which comes to be equals to 24. See, power of 5 in 100 factorial is 24, power of 2 in 100 factorial is 97. The thing is, if power of 5 in 100 factorial is 24, we can directly understand that power of 10 in 100 factorial will come to be equal to 24. Instead of being there 73 more 2's. No use of that 2's, we have to use 2 and 5 both. Hence 20 power of 10 in 100 factorial is 24. Hence answer comes to be equals to 24. Thank you. Wait, let me circle the answer. My general habit. This is the answer. Thank you.